Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose which folder Apple on install menu in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to choose which folder Apple on install menu in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, right click. After click on personalize. After click on start. And here option choose which folder Apple on install menu. So click it. And if you want to choose document here, so slash toggle on position, that is document. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to choose which folder Apple on install menu in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.